Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we're talking about the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite. So yeah, this one is the Lite variant of the Nord CE2 which was launched recently, and it looks like OnePlus is entering into the low-cost device market too with this Lite variant. It will be cheaper than the CE2. Now in terms of the design, yeah, this one is similar to the Realme 9 Pro 5G by launching the similar designs from the other companies inside the BBK group. OnePlus is losing the unique factor they used to have. But okay, let's talk about the Nord CE2 Lite. Okay, so in terms of the display, this one features the 6.58-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with 120Hz of refresh rate. Now the front we have this punch-hole camera in the side, and on the back panel we can see this OnePlus logo, and we also have this triple camera setup. Now the screen size is 6.58-inch, which is good enough, and also we will have the Full HD Plus of resolution. But here we have this LCD panel and no AMOLED panel. Yeah, but this one will be a low-cost device from OnePlus. Now in terms of the chipset, this one features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. 695 is the best option for the mid-range 5G devices. Now this new Snapdragon 695 replaces the Snapdragon 690, and yeah, it does support 5G connectivity. This one is 15 to 20% faster than 690. The Snapdragon 695 features the 4x 2.2 GHz Cairo 660 Gold and 4x 1.8 GHz Cairo 660. We also have this Adreno 6.9 GPU, so a really good processor for this mid-range smartphone. Now also in terms of the internals, this one will be available in 6 and 8 GB RAM options. We will also have this 128 GB of storage option. Now okay, let's talk about the camera setup. Now the main sensor here is 64 MP sensor. Now this one is an Omnivision primary camera with the aperture of f1.8, and we will also have the 2 MP mono sensor and 2 MP macro sensor. Also in terms of the front camera, we have 16 MP selfie shooter which features the Sony IMX471. Now okay, the main sensor is 64 MP, but we can't record 4K 30 FPS here. The max video capability here is 1080p 30 FPS. Now you also have the 3.5mm headphone jack here, and the fingerprint scanner will be sound mounted with the power button. Also this time we don't have any alert slider in this device. Now we got the battery. This one features 5000 mAh of battery with 33 watt of charging support. So your battery and charging speed is good enough for this device. And also in terms of the OS, this one runs on the Oxygen OS 11. Also in terms of the design, on the front we will have this glass protection, but it will feature plastic frame and plastic back. Now this Nord CE2 Lite is already on the certification sites. That means that it will be launched soon. Now in terms of the price, this new OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G will be available at the price of around 19 to 20,000 starting price, or we can say $270 to $280. So yeah, it looks like OnePlus is entering into this low-cost device market, and it will be interesting to see how it performs. What do you guys think about this OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G? Please comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you later.